Well, sometimes we want a faster, more convenient way for solving second degree equations without using the factoring or completing the square. And in that case, we'll try to use the quadratic formula. Just like the completing the square method, quadratic formula will always give you a solution. The other one, the other factoring method, that only works if you're able to factor it. So the quadratic formula is a very reliable method for solving second degree, in other words, quadratic equations. The given quadratic equation is x squared plus 2 equals negative 2x. We're going to solve it using the quadratic formula. Step 1, get the given equation, this guy right here, get him in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Okay, there's the the x squared. Now let's move the negative 2x next by adding 2x to both sides. We get x squared plus 2x, and don't forget the plus 2 equals the other side 0. You want 0 on the other side. Now identify the different components, the coefficient a, the coefficient b, and the coefficient c. In this problem, the coefficient a is the invisible 1, the coefficient b is positive 2, and the constant c is also positive 2. Step 2, substitute those a, b, and c's into the quadratic formula. Now you have to memorize this formula. X equals a big division bar. On the top we have negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c over 2 times a. Now we just need to plug the values in for a, b, and c, and we get this. And when we simplify that, we get x equals negative 2 plus or minus the square root of negative 4 over 2. So I'm going to rewrite the square root of negative 4 as 2 times I, because I is the square root of negative 1. And then we're going to factor the top, factor a 2 out of the top and cancel it with a 2 on the bottom. And our final answer is x equals negative 1 plus or minus I.